probably still asleep, but we're gonna put a bin on a trailer. So here's this old trailer I picked up. Came with a free XP. I'm gonna put my tricks on it, and then on this side build a platform to hold a Grom and my dirt bike. But it's so old, I don't have a VIN number on it. So, because we live in the good old West Virginia, if you go through the proper paperwork, you can get a VIN assigned. So now I have a trailer that I can drag around and a plate. So I'm gonna put the VIN plate, rivet it on, drill some holes. First we're gonna take a center punch, line it up, make 2 pilots, and then drill. So here we go. Think it looks decent enough. Let's scrape the bottom. Yeah, I'm just gonna send it there. I don't know if I can do this. I can't. I need more hands. I'll be back. Did this once, but I just put the tag up, I centered it, and then you just take this device and just push in a few times. And it makes these nice little dimples that the drill bit can sit down in. I did 2 of them. And those will line up with this. Alright, so now I'm just going to pre-drill that. Let's see what's the best way to put the drill in here. It's going to be tight. Well, we'll start with this one first, because this one's going to be a pain. Alright, nope, 2 hands for sure. Alright, 1 hole drilled. And I've slid a rivet through here. I'm just going to test it. So that'll go in there and get riveted down. And the second will go in there. Oh, almost got it. Just like that, a couple of squeezes. And we have a bin. Oh yeah, let's go get in the water today. Maybe a couple laps on the pit bike track. Now there's 2 XPs. And what goes better with the 90s jet ski? A Fox. What goes better than a Fox? A Fox with a big turbo LS. Oh man, can't wait. Let's go play. Let's go play.
doing?
We're going to the river.
We're going to the river. We got some jet skis
back there. We got more jet skis in front of us. We got the boat. There's a tractor. This is a cool tractor. But we're rolling. We got the XPs, the Tricks, the Bayliner. Yeah, Mama's driving the 1XP up. Man, Memorial Day weekend. We're killing it. Cool spot. We're just gonna go under a tunnel and then pop out in the river. This is cool.